Hey y'all, it's your fave curly girl here, Akira. Today I'm gonna do a twist out today because time to go back to some old faithful products and to bring in some new products that I just had to have. So I'm gonna go and wash my hair and then I'll be back. And I'll let y'all know what I use as soon as I get back. Okay, bye. Alright, so I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys what I wash my hair with. These products are Old Faithfuls. They're what I used when I first cut my hair back in 2015. So it's the shampoo is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. It's black. It smells, to me, it smells like candy a little bit. It says it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar in it. It's to cleanse and nourish natural, chemically processed, or heat styled hair. It is sulfate free and color safe. I have color treated hair, and I try to stay away from sulfates as much as possible. Now the conditioner I use is the conditioner that goes right along with the shampoo. What I also did this time when I washed my hair was I used an apple cider vinegar rinse. So what I did, I put it in this little spray bottle. I'm gonna let y'all know now, it smells absolutely disgusting, but my scalp feels 1,000 times better. So really all I did was I sprayed it on my scalp and then did like a little scalp massage, and with that my hair was already in 4 sections because that's how I always wash my hair. But today, I normally will detangle in 4 sections too, but today I detangled in 6. So like my scalp feels 1,000 times better and it looks a lot better. Like it doesn't itch. And then like the little coils on the end of my hair look great. So yeah. I went ahead and put my deep conditioner in. I finally decided to purchase a hot head. It's reversible and it's filled with flax seeds. Heat it up 45 seconds on one side, then you flip it inside, then you flip it back on the other side, and then you can put it on. So I am gonna deep condition for about 30 more minutes because I just put it in a few minutes ago and heated it up. But so I'll be back after I rinse this deep conditioner out. I'm gonna use some Old Faithful products. So I know a lot of naturals either do the LCO method or the lock method. LCO is leave-in or like water, cream, and then an oil. Or they'll do the leave-in, the oil, and then the cream. I do the loco method. So the leave-in, my choice of oils, and I'll show you those in a second. I personally love Cantu products. I know everybody is always like, Cantu's trash, and I'm like, okay, but my philosophy is that everybody's hair is always going to be different. So I use the Cantu for natural hair leave-in conditioning cream, my curling cream, or whatever cream I decide to use that day, and then I also use what's on my shirt. If you haven't used this product, I strongly encourage you to buy this product because it's something that I've used since I've been natural. It smells really good. It's all natural. It has shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil, and here's the product right here. So it's a butter. The consistency, you know, is basically, I will link her website down below for her product, but it's honestly one of my favorites. So getting back into I don't care what nobody say. I love me some Cantu. It has always worked just fine on my hair. Everybody's hair is different. So with that being said, I'm gonna use what I want. So the way I do mine, because I wash my hair in sections, it makes my life so much easier. So I literally, depending on the size of the section, I only put like a very little bit. So this is probably about the amount that I'm gonna use for this one section. So what I also do as I'm applying products for any style, really, I pay a lot of attention to my roots, because that's the newest part of your hair. And I'm gonna go praying hands. And then what I also will do,
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with you. Down with you.
so now that all of my product has been applied, I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair how I want it to be for this twist out.
Would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. What you're going through, I wanna be down.
turn around so you guys can see all of my twists and not just the ones that are in the front. With that being said, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'm going to link all the products that I use below in the description box. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell